Apply a thin layer of gel to the target area. Shave the treatment area with a razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Apply a generous layer of gel to the treatment area. Cover the recipient's eyes with washcloths, then place the black goggles on. The operator must also wear goggles. IPL application. Select hair removal. Settings. IPL, 40 gels per square centimeter. RF, 15. Cooling level, 5. Replace the 480 nanometers filter with the 680 nanometers filter. Press the green button on the handle to emit energy. Apply vertical stamping motions evenly across the treatment area. Wipe the treatment area. Caution. 1. Follow a healthy daily routine post-operation and balance work with rest. 2. Avoid steam sauna, hot springs, swimming, and sun exposure for the next 7 days. Take one session every 22 to 32 days, complete 6 to 12 sessions in total, and customize the treatment schedule based on the individual's condition. Contraindications. Prolonged sun exposure. Photosensitive skin or use of photosensitizing drugs. Use of oral isotretinoin. Pregnancy. Diabetic. Keloid scarring tendency. Potential skin cancer.